Hey everybody, welcome back. New tool day at the shed. We got a wire wheel and a bench grinder. Nothing special. Highest dollar money can buy at Harbor Freight. Like I said, nothing special. What we're gonna do though, the reason we got this today, we're gonna clean up all the hardware that we got for putting our bedsides and steps back on. We're gonna just clean these up because these are gonna be seen from the inside of the bed. So we're gonna buzz them off real quick, clean them up, throw a little flat black on them so they match the bed liner. I don't like having bed liner in your bolts inside there because if you ever have to get them back out, they're gonna be a bear because especially your Torx, they will fill up with that bed liner and you'll be cussing somebody. I feel like the people that spray bed liners in the new Ford pickups that just spray over that, there's probably a special punishment for them at some point in their life. Let them deal with that. But for us, we're not going to do that. We're going to clean them up, a little flat black, so we can put it together. We've already, I'll show them to you later, the steps, there's actual metal brackets for the step sides in there. I've cleaned them up already, sanded them down, hit them with just an aerosol bed liner. That's going to be good enough. It's not really going to see the sun like the Raptor liner is going to be subjected to. So, you know, it's just not near as good of a product, but for what that application, doesn't matter. We're going to just be able to, we just aerosol them real quick, moved on, and we'll get this together and see what we can tear up. Made that look easy, didn't I? So, comes all assembled, all ready to plug in, start grinding, but I want a wire wheel on it because I want, like I said, I want to clean them bolts up. So let's see what this takes. Comes with a little adapter for pushing there. Okay. So we're just going to pull this cover off. Like we got about a 3/4 there. Before and after, guys and gals. There's our hardware all painted up, everybody. We, like I said, we just hit them with the wire wheel. Got them real good and clean. Then I hit them with just a primer and then a flat black. The flat black will be better in that Raptor liner. Won't stand out so bad. Then I just shoved them in a box. I just take a screwdriver, poke holes, shove the bolts down in there. That way I can spin it when I'm spraying, get all the sides of them. Get good coverage that way. Then I'll show you real quick, guys. We got our step brackets all painted up with an aerosol bed liner. I'll try to throw some links in the description for you guys on this stuff. It's hard to see the texture on this, but you're not really going to see these. If you look up under the bed, you'll be able to see, you know, maybe some of the bracket stuff, but mostly just want to protect them, keep them from getting beat up. And you know, they were in good shape. They like to fill up with dirt and grime and stuff, so we just want to keep the corrosion out of them, and everything else is going to be black when you look up under there. So we want to, you know, kind of do that and protect them again. This is the product we used, just a aerosol truck bed coating, and then I just hung them up from wire so that they can dry without touching anything. Just hung them from my ladder here. Nothing special, guys. And this is that bed liner after being dry for about a week, a Raptor liner. Good, solid stuff. Really happy with the way that turned out. Next time we get together, guys, we'll be getting these brackets up here, and we need to, one thing I will point out, under the bedsides, I'm going to hit them with a rubberized undercoat, try to give them a little more protection from rocks bouncing up in there. I think that'll work good for getting it all black, plus then, like I said, it'll soften any blow of gravel and things like that as we go. But we'll do that and catch up next time, and then hopefully be hanging this stuff back together and get a bed assembly complete and be, you know, that much further along. So for now, like and subscribe, and go find a project, get dirty.